Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute notification from WhatsApp community. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can mute individual or group chat, calls and messages and from community for a specific period of time, but you can still receive messages, but your device won't vibrate or make noises to notify you that you get a message or calls from that contacts. So what if you want to mute community from your WhatsApp? So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the community here. Open the community, or you can choose on here if the community is too far from your home. You can tap on communities here. You can choose the community that you want to mute. We'll choose this. You can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. Now you can tap on community info. You can go to the announcement and you can see there is an option notifications. You can tap on that. Now you can see there is a mute notification. The toggle is inactive. You can activate the toggle by tap on the toggle like this. And you can choose other members will not see that you muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned. You can choose the time range you want to mute this notification from this community. You can mute for 8 hours, for 1 week, or always. For example, I will choose always, and now we can tap on OK. Now when there is a notification from this community, you won't get a noise or vibrate from the notification, but you still get the chats. So that is how to mute notification from WhatsApp community. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.